What is up, guys? So on this video we're gonna be rolling over, meet up with my buddy, and use this car trailer and go pick up the little 05 Sierra short bed single cab that it got painted. If you guys are checking in the channel, it was on the channel probably 6-7 months ago, and we had to get some body work done to it. So we're gonna roll over there, get that thing picked up, and show you guys kind of what we got planned for it. So y'all stay tuned, and see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel on Auto Addiction. Today we're going to be picking up the Sierra project. So I'll get this thing loaded up on my buddy's trailer and get it back so we can get it back together and get it going on the channel again. So this thing came out super good. Like I said, this whole side was painted. So when I came over and looked at it, you had brand new paint on the driver's side. The passenger side hood and roof was still old, so I just told him go ahead and paint the whole truck. So it's all painted, I just got to put it back together. But I got a ton of parts coming for this thing, so we're going to get this thing on the trailer, and I'll give you some more details once we get it back over to the other shop. Alright guys, so I'm super excited to have the truck back on the channel. Got a lot of stuff planned for it. Like I said, I got a ton of parts in the garage already waiting for this project since it's been off the channel now, I think 6 or 7 months. So here she is back from paint. Of course, it's pollen season in Florida, so the whole thing's covered in pollen, but the whole truck's been repainted. Super nice. They did an awesome job, removed all the handles. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better job. They took the bed off, so it's definitely done right. I mean, you can see I don't even have it buffed or polished, and still see the reflection in it. So truck looks so good. Can't wait to get it back together. So we left off on this project last time. I just had it lowered, and then we had a lawn company come through and just built the side of it with rock. So it's kind of a bummer, but you know, so far it looks awesome. They replaced the window glass because the glass had pitting in it. So I got all my parts, bumpers, they're all paint to match. So they're all ready to go back on. Of course, the downfall to having a project sit for so long is now I gotta try to remember where all the parts are. So so we'll do that. So I got taillights coming for it, headlights coming for it, got all the grill stuff, got all the bumpers paint to match, so we'll be putting this thing back together. I got to clean up the interior. I got headliner material for it, so we got to pull the headliner out. I got stereo stuff for it, so all that stuff's coming up on this build. Of course, I'm doing this build with my daughter, so I would love to just stay and get it all done and knock it out at nighttime, but it's going to be a kind of a slow process. She's going to be helping me out doing it, try to teach her some things. You know, she's 13, going to be 14, so she'll be driving in a couple of years, so hopefully we'll be able to hand down this truck to her. Well, she'll be buying it off me, and then go from there. But it'd be a fun father-daughter project in the meantime. Of course, we got the F-250 also, so if you're just checking in, we got both the trucks on the channel, and yeah, cool stuff to come. So we also got the 86 Cutlass project, so if you're into trucks, we got trucks for you. If you're into cutlasses, we got cutlasses. And then we also got the van project over there. It's been on the back burner since I had to pay for the truck. So got this thing pretty much dialed in. I got some videos coming on it with the exhaust and some other stuff. Just haven't had time to get those videos out there. And then we just got this thing picked up tonight. And again, shout out to my buddy that helped me out with the trailer, getting this thing over here. So cool. They've had this thing done for about 2 weeks, and I've been trying to get over there and get it done, but just hasn't worked out. So sorry this video is so short. I just wanted to give you guys an update that we do have the truck back on the channel. Got a ton of awesome stuff coming for it. I even got something coming from Raceline Wheels for it, same company that sponsored the truck. So they sponsored, or we partnered up with this build, so we got some cool stuff coming for it. So we're gonna get this thing looking nice. So I gotta get the windows tinted on both the trucks. So I'm trying to wait till I have this truck, that truck, and my Cutlass. I know a guy that does mobile tinting, and just have him come knock out all three at the same time. So probably won't do a video on that because tint is tint. Some guys don't even call it a mod, so it is what it is. Sorry it's so windy out here. But again, I just wanted to get a video out here for y'all. So I'll do a recap video at the end of this to show you guys what it looked like kind of before we lowered it and where we started off, and then I'll also put a link down below to the previous videos, so you guys definitely go check those out. If you're new checking in, I am Jason with An Auto Addiction. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. It's a lot of cool content. Don't have the newest stuff out there, but I build a lot of older builds and try to do them budget minded. This one's gonna be a $10,000 cap on the build, so pretty much with what I bought it for, having to the paint job now, having to the wheels, the tires, everything else I have for it in the garage, we're at that cap. So we're gonna start installing that stuff little by little, but just wanted to show you guys what you can build for $10,000 and still have a great looking truck. You don't have to go out there and spend, you know, $50,000, $60,000 and have a show-worthy vehicle. So same thing with the F-250. You know, it's just been little by little, and again, I get way more compliments on this F-250 than if I was to drive this AT4 around. So sure, as AT4 probably a little more comfortable, you know, a lot more reliable, better miles per gallon, yep, but is the F-250 different and turns a lot of heads? Sure does. So I love having some older stuff. It's paid for and you can just enjoy it, and you know, so yep, so that's about it for this video, and I'll wrap this one up and then we'll see you guys on the next one. And I appreciate everybody checking me out, checking out the videos, and we'll see you guys on the next ride.